Hey everyone, welcome back. James here with CloudCore MSP, and today I'm going to show you how to take control of your network and block ads across every single device without using a single browser extension. Now I know this has a funny name, but today we're going to set up Pi-hole. It's a black hole for ads. Pi-hole is a powerful DNS-based ad blocker that runs right on a Raspberry Pi. Once it's live, your entire network will be cleaner, faster, and way less annoying. So if you're tired of seeing ads not just on your computer, but on a smart TV, your phone, or even apps that don't support ad blockers, then this is the solution. Let's jump into it. All right, here we are on the Raspberry Pi, and we're going to open up our browser here. And we will navigate to pi-hole.net. Now this is how easy the install is for this. We're going to click on install, and it takes us to a one-step automated install. All we have to do, copy this command and paste it into our terminal, and it does everything else for us. So we'll go ahead and hit copy, open the terminal, and paste, and we'll press enter. And it's going to take care of everything for us. All right, so this is an important thing to remember. Pi-hole is a server, so it needs a static IP address. And if you have not done so, you want to ensure that you have set a static IP address on this device. Now, and it even mentions here, there are many ways to achieve this through DHCP reservation or manually assigning. If you haven't seen the video I did on DHCP reservations, I'll put that somewhere up here. Now, we've already done that, so I'm going to continue, and I'll select, and we'll use OpenDNS. Pi-hole relies on third-party lists to block ads. You can use the suggestion below or add your own after. We will use Stephen Black's unified host list, and we will enable query logging. Always want those logs, and show everything is fine. The installation is complete. That's it. Now here you can see it's given us a admin webpage login, which we'll get to in a second. But before we do that, we need to configure the firewall to look at the Raspberry Pi for DNS instead of utilizing it itself or any custom stuff that I may have set up. So let's jump over there real quick and get that taken care of. All right, here we are back at the pfSense dashboard. And it couldn't be easier to change DNS inside pfSense. All we need to do is come up here to System, and then go down to General Setup. And just below our host name and domain, we have DNS server settings. Here's the DNS servers that I have set up to use. Now, we're not going to need any of those anymore, so we'll just delete them. Now we will erase this one. All we need to do is enter in 192.168.1.20, and we don't need to worry about adding a host name. Everything else stays the same. So we'll hit save. DNS will now route through our Raspberry Pi, but we also need to set the DHCP server. So we'll come in here and go to the LAN configuration again. Scroll down, and here you can see we have separate DNS servers configured. We need to change that so that only 1.20 is what's available. I will hit save here, and we'll apply those changes. So now everything that gets an IP address from the DHCP pool will also be directed exclusively through Pi-hole. So now let's take a look at the web interface. We'll come back over here, and see right here it says IP address /admin, and here's our password. So now we will enter in that password, log in, and here we are. We've already had 180 queries in the short amount of time that this has been up. Apparently there has been 2 domains on list. It looks like we need to do some updates. Right here is where we update Gravity. We're going to do that because it's going to pull all of that new information in.
A few moments later.
All right, I've come over here to YouTube on the Raspberry Pi. As you can see, I'm not signed in. That's why I'm doing this from the Pi. When I do a quick search just for myself, we can come in, load up the quick little video. We don't need to watch my own videos here, but we'll hit next button. All the ads are just getting dropped off. And just like that, you've got Pi-hole up and running, filtering out ads across the whole network automatically. It's one of the simplest, most effective upgrades you can make to your home or small business setup. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more no-nonsense tech tutorials, and don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. If you have questions or want to see even more Pi-based projects, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your ad-free internet. We'll see you next time.